In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the order ID suffix in your Shopify store. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand each part of the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized touch to your order IDs, making it easier to manage and track your sales efficiently. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your primary control center, where you manage all aspects of your online store. It provides a user-friendly interface which makes tasks simpler and more streamlined. Once you're in the dashboard, let's direct our attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a small gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can adjust and personalize your store's configurations according to your preferences. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll want to ensure you're in the right section to make changes. You'll be directed to the General Settings tab automatically. This is where you'll find all the basic yet crucial settings related to your store, ranging from store details to standards and formats you might need to tweak as you operate. As you arrive in the General section, scroll down until you reach the Order ID section. It might take a little bit of patience to locate it the first time, but it's typically somewhere near the middle of the page. In this section, you'll have the option to modify a specific part known as the suffix. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a suffix in this context? Essentially, it's the text or number that appears at the end of your order IDs. By customizing it, you add a unique identifier that could serve a specific purpose, such as denoting seasonal sales periods, tracking promotional campaigns, or simply for creative flair. Here, you're free to change the order ID suffix to anything that makes sense for your store and operations. Whether it's a friendly code that is memorable for you or something that aligns with current business needs, feel free to adjust it to your heart's content. Once you've made the desired changes, it's important to ensure everything is saved properly. Look towards the top of your screen where you'll notice a Save button. Go ahead and click Save to secure any modifications you've made. Without doing so, your changes won't take effect. And there you have it. You're all set. You've successfully customized your order ID suffix on your Shopify store. This small change can make a significant difference in how you manage and perceive your online business. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the Shopify Help Center for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching and happy selling.